So this was our first machine. It's a DeWalt 3400 PSI, 2.5 GPM. I know a lot of people out there say, oh, you need 4 GPM, which is gallons per minute, but it's me and my brother that are doing this. We have two 2.5 GPM machines. This one's a Simpson, and being that it's two of us, we're able to still do jobs very quick, even with just two 2.5 gallon a minute machines. So even if you're just starting out, you could use this kind of machine, and you could technically soft wash with it, but after you use this for a little while, you're going to want to upgrade to a 4 GPM for sure. Within the next week, we're trying to get a 4 gallon a minute machine. We're just trying to decide which machine we should get. We also have our gas canister here. You're definitely going to need a gas canister so you don't run out of gas on the job. We have two 50-foot hoses and then a 75-foot hose. We also have this little bucket here. We got our soap nozzles. This is what we use to apply soap to the houses. We have a splitter because it's two of us, and sometimes there's only one hose outlet. We want to be careful with those because they can ruin your pumps if you're not getting enough water to your house, or enough water to your pumps. So definitely be careful when using splitters. We also have some WD-40 because that's always good to grease different parts on your pressure washer or surface cleaner as well. If you have a surface cleaner, you're definitely going to need WD-40. This is the surface cleaner we've been using so far. It's a DeWalt 18-inch, and it's pretty good. It does the job. It saves us a lot of time when doing patios and driveways and stuff like that. And this is the first pressure washer we had. We were doing jobs with this and the DeWalt at first, and we were able to do jobs pretty quickly, and it worked out pretty well. So even if you just have a pressure washer like this, you could use this until you can make some money and buy a better one. And then you also want to have a broom just in case you want to sweep up a patio or get rid of any excess dirt and stuff. And also we have this A-frame ladder. It's extendable. It goes up to 25 feet, I believe it says here, yeah. And just in case there's any hard to reach spots that you can't get, this is definitely good to have on your car or your truck, just in case. But when you're soft washing, you really don't need a ladder. You just want to have one just in case. You want to always be prepared for whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is all of our equipment right now. We have gloves, masks, and glasses in our car as well, or in our work truck. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you find any value in this, or if you're trying to start a pressure washing business, definitely like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below with any questions. I respond immediately. And also follow my Instagram. And yeah, I'm going to be pumping out a lot more videos, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe.